I'm delighted to welcome the Minister here today and to officially open Broadleys Academy here, Health and Care Academy. I very much hope that this wonderful building will be the start of the working lives of other people, and I think it's already started.
What we have today is the product of a vibrant and very effective partnership here in Powys. And that, of course, under the auspices of the Regional Partnership Board. But also this place is helping us to grow our own workforce. We all know about the workforce challenges within the health and care system. And what we're beginning to grow here is a centre of excellence for developing a Welsh rural health and care workforce.
Thank you so much for inviting me to come and open officially this new Powys Health and Care Academy. I can see that a huge amount of work has gone into developing this over a long period of time, and it's so lovely to see that all coming together, particularly watching our young new health and care workers of the future having their first outing here, really understanding some of the challenges that come with the health and care training, but also seeing the joy that you can bring to people like Annie. So, diolch yn fawr iawn i chi gyd, thank you. It is really important to underline the importance of academies like this, because without the workforce we cannot deliver. And we need to build the workforce of the future, upgrade and uptrain the workforce that we currently have, making sure that we do things differently. We can't do more of the same. We need a transformation in the way we do our services. Now, we need to get digital and we need to get modern. And there's a real challenge. And you know what I think? I think, Powys, this is your moment. This is your moment, because in the past, the rurality has been the challenge. But we've all discovered new ways of working. And what an opportunity that is for the Health Board. You know, we will be able to do things that we didn't think we could do a few years ago. And we need to embrace that change, we need to bring on that challenge, and you can be pioneers for where we go with this in future. And I think places like this training academy are going to be absolutely key. And one of the great things about this place is that you've done it in partnership. And that is the way to go in future. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi gyd. Thank you so much for developing this project. I look forward to seeing the progress of the people who come through this academy. I look forward to seeing what the transformation that will ensue as a result of what we've seen here. And it's particularly lovely, I think, and a lovely legacy for the family of Basil Webb, to think that, you know, all these decades later, that memory is still here, that it's having an impact and changing people's lives. And I think that's a lovely tribute to the family. So, diolch yn fawr iawn i chi gyd. Thank you so much, and thank you for transforming this place into somewhere that genuinely, I'm sure, many people would want to come. Diolch yn fawr. So, I officially declare the building open ar agor.
The academy is now open.